Hello everyone! Welcome to King English class.
Today we will learn to spell vocabulary about sea animals with realistic illustrated videos. Let's get started. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Dolphin. Shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Shark. Whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Whale. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Octopus. Sea snake. S-E-A-S-N-A-K-E. Sea snake. Sea snake. Stingray. S-T-I-N-G-R-A-Y. Stingray. Stingray. Clownfish. C-L-O-W-N-F-I-S-H. Clownfish. Clownfish. Starfish. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. Starfish. Jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Swordfish. S-W-O-R-D-F-I-S-H. Swordfish. Swordfish. Seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. Seahorse. Sea lion. S-E-A-L-I-O-N. Sea lion. Sea lion. Sea turtle. S-E-A-T-U-R-T-L-E. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Crab. Walrus. W-A-L-R-U-S. Walrus. Walrus. Lobster. L-O-B-S-T-E-R. Lobster. Lobster. Squid. S-Q-U-I-D. Squid. Squid. Shrimp. S-H-R-I-M-P. Shrimp. Shrimp. Seal. S-E-A-L. Seal. Seal. Sea urchin. S-E-A-U-R-C-H-I-N. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. Eel. E-E-L. Eel. Eel. Tuna. T-U-N-A. Tuna. Tuna.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.